video. I just received my winter package and I'm really happy. I'm sorry for the bad lighting because I really wanted to do it right now and I just received it and it's late at night. I'm sorry if there's any background noise. My mom is here. So I'm going to open this and and see. I'm really happy. I'm really happy. Okay, so let's get into it. As you can see, I ordered from weverse shop. I ordered with my friend, so there's one for her inside and one for me. It's cheaper that way to buy two on the shipping cost. It's cheaper, so I would recommend always buying with a friend. Oh my god, they are huge. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, the color is so pretty. So yeah, I'm leaving one for my friend and the other one is for me. So I'm leaving her this one and I'm just going to open one because the other one isn't mine. So yeah, let's open this bad boy. I haven't seen any footage of the unboxing of any winter package because I really wanted it to be a surprise. And I waited for the winter package for a long time. Okay. Wow, oh my god, it's so pretty. The box is really pretty, but the pouch, ooh, okay. I didn't think it was going to be sealed like this. Okay, I don't want to mess up anything. Oh my god, I didn't expect it to be this feeling. Oh, and they're stickable, like it's a Velcro. Oh my god, that's cool. That's really nice. Wow. I will go with this first. I guess you slide it. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. That's really nice. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Let me show you one by one. Wow. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh wow. I really didn't expect that. I didn't think they were going to be two-sided. Like, oh. Oh, it's so cute and it's so big. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be. Jungkook. Let's see who I got. Oh my god, I got Yoongi. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my I'm so happy. I got Yoongi. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Wow. Wow, the CD. The packaging is really cool. And it's solid, not like the other ones. Ooh. Oh my god. Is that the postcards? I think it is. Let's see. Wow. It's like this kind of paper. I love this kind of paper. It's like a blurred texture. Oh my god. I love that it's on like paper, picture paper. It's like a higher quality. It's a really nice touch. Oh my god, he looks so cute. Okay. Oh my god, look at his hair. Oh, it's so pretty. The highlights. Oh. His hat is so adorable. Oh god. Okay, I'm sorry I keep saying oh my god. V with the pose. Oh wow. I love his little hat. Oh my god. Jungkook and those little highlights in his hair. Wow. I love it. I live for it. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Okay. I'll put them back in. Okay. Then in here, now in here. Oh my god. Those are the mini posters, I think. Wow. Oh my god. You. I'm sorry if you can see well. I think they are two separate ones. I'll open it for sure to see if it's what I think. Yeah. Okay, there's a little message on the back. I can't read Korean yet, so that's unfortunate. There's so much in this winter package. I think that you guys should definitely get it. I think it's worth the money. Okay. I don't think there's other things other than the photo book now. So if you want to see the inside, it's two separate things. That's cool. The packaging is really good on everything. Everything is really well packaged. Let's open this. It's a really big photo book, if you can see by my hand. Winter darkness, first spark, second flare, third flame, winter light. Oh, okay. Wow, just this is so pretty. And the quality of the paper is so good. Like, I'm not kidding, it's really, really good. I love the feeling of it and the smell. Sometimes I don't like the smell of paper, but this one smells really good. He looks like an emperor in like Star Wars. He looks good. He looks really good. Wow. Just, I have nothing else to say. They are, I think that it makes the whole winter package better because I waited for it for such a long time, and I kept seeing people getting it, and I was like, oh my god, when is mine coming? And I finally got it today, late, but I got it today. There's a lot of pictures in here. I can't show you all of them, but I will show you all the members on this first chapter. Wow, Jungkook, wow, I love the mullet. Jin looking good too. I love this hair on Jin. It makes him look a bit older, but like a good old, you know? Me too. I love the boots. Ooh. Nice. You can see Jungkook here too, Jin. Wow. Ruby looks, oh my god, he looks like a prince. He looks good. Jimin, oh my god, love the boots again. Wow. This hair color, yes, a big yes for me. Oh my god, this killer look. Wow. Okay, they look awesome. I keep saying it, but like, it needs to be said. Guys, seriously, go buy it. Go buy it. You can buy it on Cocodive too. I don't know if they are sold out right now, but yeah. If you have the chance to buy it, go buy it. Okay. Oh my god. What? Okay, is that like a photo card or oh my god, what? This picture is awesome, but I lost, I can't say anything. It looks so pretty. Wow. Oh my god, the little stars. Wow. This is like my favorite look in the whole winter package. Like, I've seen the pictures, like the concept pictures, so I know that this was my favorite, but seeing it now, I know it's my favorite. So this is the chapter 2. So if you guys want me to do a full haul of the photo book, just let me know in the comments. I could do that, but this is a really big photo book and I can't show you guys all of it. It would be too much. So I hope you guys don't hate me for it if I can't show you all of it. But oh wow. Wow. Okay, well, I hope you liked this video, and you can give it a thumbs up if you did. If you want to see other videos or other unboxing, you can follow me on Instagram. I got 2 Instagram, they are both linked in the description below, so you can go follow me there. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share, please. You can even comment, it would mean a lot to me. So thank you. Bye. See you next time.